true art, that's what it is. It's a reflection of who we are.
And Robert Butler is a reflection of Florida. The child from Okeechobee that loved to draw grew up to become one of the state's premier landscape painters.
This is a scene of the Everglades.
For 40 years, Butler has traveled Florida's highways and byways documenting nature scenes, his way of sharing a disappearing world with others.
I wanted to have them experience the beauty, the pure beauty, pristine beauty of Florida.
And while Butler's canvases preserve pieces of Florida, on Sunday, nothing could save much of his life's work from fire. The fire that destroyed an Army-Navy store in Lakeland also took an art gallery. The gallery's owner was an avid collector of Butler paintings, and now over 100 of them, spanning decades, are gone.
The loss is literally too much to comprehend.
A financial loss for the collection's owner, an emotional loss for the artist.
All of the brushstrokes, all of the heartfelt brushstrokes, all of the thoughts that you can see yourself standing in front of a canvas doing, all of that's gone.
While Butler says his brain contains an infinite catalog of potential paintings.
Oh, continually paint scenes from Florida.
He can never go back in time and recreate those that were burned. And so too, this is a loss for anyone who has ever viewed a Butler painting and traveled to a serene place in Florida they have never been.
I will never be able to speak with people across time with those paintings.
Biking on US 19 is for the birds. In this case, you'd be right.
We're doing a bird conservation trip.
This family from the Canadian Yukon is on a year-long trek, hoping to inspire people to care about birds and their habitat.
It's been a fabulous trip. I mean, there are times when you're going along breathing diesel and wondering why the heck you're doing it, but overall it's been a great trip.
The 12,000-mile trip was 16-year-old Malcolm's idea.
We cycled down through central British Columbia.
That's a way to go for a big year. That's a year when birders try to see as many different species as possible.
And now we are at 442.
Besides all the birds,
that's a bald eagle.
A highlight of this journey has been the people.
The incredible generosity of strangers has just blown me away. People have treated us so kindly.
Some birders on their big year fly and drive thousands of miles trying to lengthen their list.
It's sort of hypocritical for these people who care about birds and have to go long distances to see them, but are still burning up all these fossil fuels.
So Malcolm's birding by pedal power. It means his year won't be a record breaker. But rolling along, these folks are happy with their 3 Bs: bikes, binoculars, and birds.
There are surprises around every corner.